inside my heart, but she still wanted more now. Anytime I fight for what I stand for, I got people exponentially hitting the door, starting to wonder why I'm here. Past life, present strife got me feeling fear. Why are these things allowed? Since 2016 I've been down. I'm trying to drown myself in the sound. Insecure about things I can't help. Keep doing things for everybody else. I feel like I'm not living for myself. I feel like all the music gonna make me deaf. I try to drown myself in the sound, surround myself with life all around, and I try to soak the energy, but I don't feel like they're friends with me. I'm trying to be nice to my enemies, yeah. Trying to be nice to my enemies to get some better energy, cause I don't think they're friends with me. Oh, hopefully they'll drown me in this